So clock frequency would be enough. Did I discuss clock tablet? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Clock means the clock frequency will be fine. But I strongly recommend you should keep the today's procedure which I'm going to discuss clock tablet. And in the next class, I'm going to discuss about the clock univariate. If you keep clock tablet and clock univariate, your resume is going to be get scanned out. Definitely, you are going to get a couple of questions from clock tablet and clock univariate. Okay. So I strongly recommend you should keep the tablet and the univariate both the procedure. If possible, if you are interested, I will take some other statistical procedures. Generally, that is not in our curriculum. But if you want, I can take the advanced statistical procedures also, and we'll see that one later. In today's class, what I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss about the clock tablet. What is this clock tablet? Yeah. Clock tablet will not do anything extra. Clock tablet will do what the clock means and the clock frequency is done. Okay? Clock tablet is a very user statistics in Indian clock tablet. Clock tablet will do what is the clock means and the clock frequency is done. Fine. What is clock tablet will do? It is going to print all the report in a small table. So that we can print so much of information in a small table. And we can bring the table up to 3 dimensions. Since we can bring the table 3 dimensions, we can put so much of information in a small table. That's why clock tablet is very, very powerful. A table is worth 100 words and more. If you have so much of story, instead of that story text, we can put all the important information in a table. Now understanding the table is very, very easy. We can easily and quickly understand the table instead of reading the entire story. Understand this one? So that's why clock tablet is a very powerful than individual clock means and clock frequency. I can say clock tablet is a combination of it is some effect of clock means, clock frequency plus clock reporting. In Muru say clock tablet is equal. So how we can define clock tablet? Clock tablet is useful to generate descriptive statistics. And frequency counts like clock means and clock frequency. But it can generate the report into a table. And if we bring the table up to 3 dimensions, up to 8 dimensions, so that we can put so much of information in a small table. What is the length of age group anybody? 5 and 6. 6. Trailing space, one extra space. I have given one extra trailing space. So the length of the age would be 6. ఇంకా కొంతమంది 8 అంటున్నారు. Okay. I'm taking this data set to explain the clock tablet. Now, whenever I want to include the clock tablet, I'm writing clock tablet. Data is equal to for which data set you want to have access, you should write the data set name, which is called class. If you want to get a tabular report, you should write a mandatorily a statement called table. What the mandatory statement is to write? Table. Without table statement, you will not get the result. In the table statement, what we should write? We should write a variable name. In the table statement, we should write a variable name. But remember, if you wanted any variable in the table statement, that variable must be already should be present. It should already present either in the class statement or that variable must be presented in the batch statement. అంటే మీరు టేబుల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏదైతే వేరియబుల్ రాస్తున్నారో ఆ వేరియబుల్ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలంటే ఆల్రెడీ అయితే క్లాస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉండాలి. ఉండాలండి క్లాస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉండాలి. Then when we write a variable in the class statement or when we write a variable in the batch statement, generally if you write any variable in the class statement, that variable is useful to divide the data categorically. But if you write any variable in the batch statement, that variable is useful for analysis purpose. అంటే ఇప్పుడు batch statement ఏ వేరియబుల్ రాయాలి అనాలిసిస్ అవ్వాలంటే కదా ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ న్యూమరికల్ వేరియబుల్. But in the class statement, I want to have categorical data, so I want to divide the report categorically. So in the class statement, which one should I?
Both.
Which one should I? In the class statement. But in the class statement, which one should I?
Only analysis numerical variable.
Understand this one? Now, in today's class, what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain first the table statement with the class statement. Then I will explain the table statement with the batch statement. Then I will explain later all the three statements together. So, what is the mandatory statement we have first of all?
Table.
The table statement what will I? Variable name. If you want to have variable in the table statement, variable should have that variable already. Class name చేస్తుందండి it divides categorically. And batch statement is going to give the analysis. Okay. Now, now I want to execute the proc tablet and class data set. Now I am writing proc tablet data is equal to class. And by the way, now I am writing a class statement. In the class statement, I am writing a section. I'm writing a run statement. What I am missing here? Table statement. Now see what is it. Now select the program, input the program. I am not going to get a table. So if I go to the log window, now this is the error that I have. No table statement has been specified. So if you want to use the proper tablet processor, you should have 100% what the statement you should have? A table statement. So I am writing the table statement now. I am writing a table. For which variable? Obviously we have only one variable in the class statement. I am writing the same variable now in the table statement also. So since I have it in the sex in the table statement, I will get the table for the sex variable. But already sex is present in this statement.
Classes.
What is the class statement we do? Class statement we divide and export sex variable categorically. So that means we are going to have a sex variable. Do you know how many categories we have in the sex variable? 2 categories. Now, yeah, find out. Since the variable is present in class statement, by default what we are going to get? We are going to get the number. The class statement of the variable categorically number of the details. So, female set of exactly. This is the report. This is the table that we are going to get if I execute this program. Okay. Now say I'm selecting the program, executing the program. Okay, you see what is the report I'm getting? So we have a sex variable analysis categorically, and how many types of values we have? F and F2 values, and what is the default sex I'm getting? N. Now I'm getting 9 numbers in the females, 10 in the males. Understand this, everybody? Now can you tell me what is going to happen if I write my program like this? Now this time I'm writing proc tablet data is equal to class data set. In the class statement I'm writing age group, and in the table statement also I'm writing age. Tell me how the report is reached.
Age group, in the middle,
variable. In age group, how many categories that we have? We have one.
When is that N and the number?
Because what we are going to get now? We are going to get a number. Do you know how many adults that we have? We have 5 adults because 15 and 16, 15, 4 members, 16, 1 member, 5. Middle, 13 and 14, we have 7 members. And in the, we have 11 and 12, 7 members. This is exactly how we are going to get the report. Now see, I am selecting the program, executing the program. Now this is how we are going to get. Why is this taking so much time? Do you have anything wrong with this? No, nothing at all, right? Why don't I wait, you say? The basic, we have the adult, male, and an anchor, and we have the N, and we have a 5, 7, and 7. Understand this, everybody? Now this time, I am writing proc tablet data is equal to class data set. In the table statement, I am writing case. So obviously, if you want to write the table statement, what the statement we have first? Class statement, then all the case. Now tell me how the report is to come.
11, 12, 13.
How many types of fields we have? 11, 12, 16. By default, what you are going to get now? You are going to get but N, and then what are the N that we are going to have? You know that level we have 2 members, we have 5 members, then we have 3 members, then we have 4, and then we have 1. This is exactly you see in the class statement what is the variable I'm writing now? Age weight. Age is a numerical character.
Numerical.
And also it's a numerical weight. So when it comes to the category A, we can write both character numerical just like a prompt frequency. Now, I'm writing prompt tablet. Data is equal to class. I'm writing a class statement set variable. Then I'm writing a table statement. We have already seen this one. Can you tell me one more time how the report is going to be?
F and M, NN, 19.
Now we are going to have a sex variable. In the section, how many categories we have? Yeah, five categories. I default what you are going to get now.
NN.
And you know that 9, this is going to be 10. And you know that. This is how it. You know what? Now I'm writing one more variable in the class statement. I'm writing age. Now, since we have a variable in the class statement, we should have that variable in the table. Now, so in the table statement also I'm writing a age. Okay. Now, since in the table statement we have two variables, we are going to get the tables for both the way. But how the table is going to come? Now, most important thing is in the table statement between the sex and the age group, what we have?
Spaces.
We have a space. Now, when we have a space, here what is going to happen? Now we are going to get a sex table like this one, and then we are going to have one more table called age group, but both the tables are going to come side by side, concatenated with each other. Okay? If you have a space in the table statement between the two tables, now what is going to happen? How the output is going to be? You will get the two tables, sex and age group, but how both the tables are going to come? Both the tables are going to come side by side. Now that means what we are going to have now in the age group, you know that, right? What are the age groups that we have? Adult, and then we are going to have a middle, and then we have a end. And for this also what we are going to get now? We are going to get the end. Okay, and you know that in adult, how many students that we have adult? We have 5 students, middle we have 7 students, and end how many students that we have? 7 students. This is, so how many tables we are getting? Sex is one table, age will be one table, and how the both the tables are coming? Side by side, concatenated. Now I'm selecting the program, executing the program. But can you see, this is the sex table, and this is the age group table, and we have both side by side. Now, tell me what is going to happen if I specify one more variable age and if I have the same variable in the table statement, but what is the operator could be happen? We have between the variables.
Space.
In the table statement, we have a space. Now, we are going to have, now tell me what we are going to have now. We are going to have one more variable.
Table, side, under, side,
Now,
concatenated.
we are going to have 11 years here, then 12, then we are going to have 13, then 14, then 15, and then we are going to have 16. By default, what we are going to get now?
Total. NN.
We get number. Since we have written the age in the class statement, we are going to get the number. So we are going to get 2, then 5, then we are going to have 3, then we have 4, then 4, and then we are going to have 1. So 3 variables side by side concatenated. Understand this one? Now, I'm writing prompt tablet. Data is equal to class data set. Now, in the class statement, I'm writing a 6. In the table statement, also I'm writing a 6. Tell me one more time how the table is going to come. Come to the table.
F and M.
Yeah, for them, 9
Table,
numbers.
F and M, 9 and 10.
Yes. Now, I'm writing a one more variable now in the class statement, which is the age group. Obviously, variable should be the variable again now in the table. Now, tell me what is going to come now.
Side by side, concatenated.
Sex and age group side by side, concatenated, like so, two tables. Now, what I'm doing now, between the sex and age group, now I'm going to keep an operator called asterisk symbol. In the only space on the age, now I'm keeping an asterisk symbol. You know what will happen if I keep the asterisk symbol? Now the data is going to get nested. So that means what will happen now? Now the data is going to get categorized based on the sex. Tell me how many categories that we have in the sex? Female
It's
and
fine.
male.
In that age group.
Within the sex, age group is going to be categorized. So now we are going to have age group. Now tell me how many types of age group that we are going to get in the female, sir? Now we are going to get adult, what we are going to get now? We are going to have middle and then we are going to have egg. And now the same thing is going to come now where? In the males also, what we are going to have now? We are going to have the age group. How many types of age groups that we have in it? And we have an adult, then we have a middle, and then what we have? We have an egg. And by default, what is the status that we are going to get? Emotional, emotional. Okay, and this is how we are going. So tell me, do you know how many female adults that we have? Now 15 years, so remember, so 16 years, 0, now we are going to get 2. It is an adult and 15 to 16. And middle లో 13 14 ఉంటుందండి 4 members. And end లో so we are going to have 3 members. Level 12 level of ఉంటారు 12 members ఉంటారు. Now adult లో we are going to have male adult 3 members, male middle we are going to have 3 members, and end we are going to have 4 members. So 3 plus 3 4, 6 plus 4 10. And ఇప్పుడు data of the చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. Within the sex age group. And by default what you are going to get now? You are going to get the end that. So can you see? First data has been divided based on the sex, female and male. Now within the female age group. Again within the male, again age group. This is obvious. Now the data will get nested. You know, writing a statistical procedure is one thing. Interpretation of the result is very important. You should understand how the report is going to come. If you understand that one, everything is going to make sense. Tell me how the report is going to be now. Report allows only.
Within the age group 6.
First we are going to have age group. How many types of age group that we have? Adult. Middle. So don't have a and by default what is the report? Able to understand this one? This is how we are going to have. So within the age group 6. How the report is going to come now?
6 and 8 side by side concatenate.
Right? 6 and 8 side by side.
Side by side concatenate.
Now I'm changing that into asterisk symbol. Now tell me how the report is going to come.
Within the sex age
How we are going to have F and M. The female. In the female, 7 also.
11, 12, 13, 14,
14, 15 and 16. Then within the male, 7 also. 11, 12,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. By default, N.
By default, we are going to get a N count. Okay. Now, I am writing one more variable called age group. Now, I am writing sex into age group into age.
Within the age group within the sex age group, end,
We are going to have female
and M,
and within the young group,
adult, middle, end.
middle, egg. Okay. Adult index of ages ఉన్నాయండి. 15 and 16. అదే కదా 16 1 15 1 ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందండి 13 ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందండి 11 అలాగే మళ్ళీ బేస్ లో ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందండి మళ్ళీ మనకి ఇప్పుడు అడల్ట్ మిడిల్ మళ్ళీ అలాగే ఉంటుందండి ఇక్కడ 15 16 13 14 11 12 within the sex age group within the age group
Age.
You see, we get so much of information in a small thing.
So can you show me the previous programs?
Good. So within the sex, females means within the females, age group adult male. Within the adult again, if we have only 15 years, only one person. We do not have 16 females or 15. In the middle, we have age less than 14. Age angle less than 12. Clear so far everybody? Now again tell me, I am writing proper tablet. Okay, data is equal to class data set. Now in the class statement I am writing sex. In the table statement also I am writing a sex. Tell me what is out. Don't know to.
F5,
So what table?
6,
10 members.
9,
The 9 members, 10 members. Now I am writing sex. I am writing one more variable in the class statement is. Now I am writing the same variable in the table statement. Tell me how the report is going to come.
side by side concatenated. 6 and 8 group.
Okay. You know that. Now, I'm giving asterisk symbol. You know what is going to happen? Within the sex
age group.
within the sex age. But now, I'm not adding asterisk symbol. I'm keeping a third special character, comma. Now, what will happen if I specify the comma? Comma is going to divide the dimension. The right side to the comma is column dimension. In dimension is column dimension. Left side to the comma variable will be row dimension. And if నాకు ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుందంటే కాలమ్ డైమెన్షన్ లో ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. How many of the groups that we have? Can you tell me?
Three.
Already got a first, then we are going to have middle, then what we are going to have end. And this is going to be in vertical dimension, column dimension. Now, and then by default, you know that what we are going to have, we are going to have an end. Now, you know what is going to happen now? Now, sex is going to be horizontal or row dimension. Like here we are sorry. We are going to have here. Tell me how many of the sexual values that we have? And then we are going to have here. Tell me how many female adults that we have? Remember, female middle, and we have female middle, let's say 13 and 14 and 32, 42, 4 members, and then we have the 3 members. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. And then males. Adult we have 3 members. Okay. And middle we have 3 members, and end we have 4 members. Now tell me which one is column dimension, which one is row dimension?
Age group is a
Column dimension, age group.
sex is the row dimension.
Row dimension, horizontal dimension. And this is called 2 dimension here. So always the right side to the comma is the column dimension, left side to the comma will always be
Row dimension.
row dimension. This is a 2 dimension table, and this is what it is. Here will be the column dimension, and the sex is in row dimension. I'm writing proc tablet. Data is equal to class data set. In the class statement, I'm writing sex is. Now in the table statement, I'm writing sex stage is. Tell me how the reporter is going to come. So the table set, because we have a stage delimiter operator between the two variables in the table statement. And this is how we. Now what I'm doing now, I'm keeping an asterisk symbol. Tell me what is going to happen if I specify the asterisk symbol.
Within the sex age.
Within the sex age. But now I'm not keeping that one, I'm keeping it in comma. Tell me what is going to happen.
Sex is row dimension, age and column
It's
dimension.
going to be column dimension, 12, 13, then we are going to have 14, 15 and 16. And by default, what you are going to get now? We are going to get the number. Okay. And now tell me, what we are going to have here? We are going to have a sex format. We have the female, and then we have a male. And this is going to be a horizontal row dimension. Now female 11 years, female 12 years, female 13, 14, 15, 16, and the male also will get. Now this is how we are going to have. No confusion, right? Now, I'm writing proc tablet. Data is equal to class data set. In the class set, I'm writing sex, age group, and age. Now, in the table statement, I'm writing sex, age group, age. Tell me how the report is going to come.
Three tables side by side
Three
compared.
tables side by side. Below that. Now, I'm giving now comma here, the comma. And by the way, in the table statement, the maximum that we get 2 commas. Maximum 2 commas. What will happen if I get 2 commas? The extreme right side variable is going to be column dimension. The middle variable is going to be row dimension. And the extreme left variable is going to be phase dimension. Now this is called 3 dimension. In the starting definition I told you, by using proc tablet we can generate up to 3 dimension table. And if I want to get 3 dimension on the right.
Six.
Sex is not right, right?
Expanded.
One is female and right. So female is going to come, female table is going to come in one place, male table is going to come in a different place. That is the phase dimension. Now tell me, who is going to come now in column dimension?
Age.
Now, you know that in the age variable, what else that we have, what categories that we have, we have 15, 15, and then 16. Who is going to come in the row dimension now? Yes. All the types of age group that we have, 3, what are those? We have middle, and then we have a I'm going to have the same table. For whom?
Male.
Female. So the female stable is in one page and the male stable is going to be in another page. Understand this one? Now see, I'm selecting the program, executing the program, but then you see this female is one page and the male is in another page. Now in female state, age is coming in which dimension? Or dimension? Age would be in row dimension. Okay. So we can get up to 3 dimensions. So 3 dimensions low, setting around the real point. Extreme right side will be dimension is it? Two dimensions.
So please can you repeat it?
Yeah. The extreme right hand variable is volving. So when we have 3 variables, like variable 1 into variable 2, and if I have 3 variables, and this variable is going to be which dimension? This variable is going to be all dimension. The middle variable is going to be 4 dimension. And extreme left side variable is going to be age dimension. This is how we are going to get a 3 dimension game. So age we have right side column dimension, in the middle we have age group row dimension, and the extreme left side we have sex variable, that is the parent. This is a different way, this is a different way. We'll see that one. And I'm going to say that one. Now tell me, what is going to happen now? What are the operators I have?
The sex and age table side by side concatenated. First sex table within the sex age group, then age group side by side concatenated.
Now we are going to have age group in column dimension. Age group, how many groups we have?
Sex 3,
Adult,
middle and A.
And we have an X. But now which way is going to be row dimension now?
F and M.
In the sex what we have? Capital F and capital M. Now, besides that one, now what I'm going to have now?
Age.
So this table is going to get concatenated to the left again. Okay, understand this one? So section age is going to be 2 dimension. Section age group is going to be 2 dimension one table, and besides to the right side of that one, age table is going to get concatenated because what we have here?
Space as the operator. So complete.
So age group column, sex is row, this is one table, and age is another table, just is going to get concatenated because we have the space operator. Now tell me what is going to happen if I specify like this.
Within the age group age. Sex within the age group age.
We are going to have age group. Age group, adult, middle,
Middle.
and within that what we are going to have?
Age.
Because left side.
15 and 16. 13, 14, 17.
11 and
2.
now
Sex
sex is going to be
is the dimensional.
what we are going to have now? And so we can use all the 3 operators in the same table statement. Already prop tablet. Data is equal to class data set. In the class set, I am writing 6 age group and age. Now in the table statement, I am writing 6 comma age group. Tell me what will happen now?
Age group in vertical, sex in row dimensional.
Row dimensional.
In one table.
Now, I do not want to have it as a sex, I want to have it as a gender. Generally, if you want to display sex as a gender, what we should do? We should apply
Label.
label in I should apply label. If you want to apply the label, what the statement I should write?
Label.
But in the prop calculator, you no need to write a label statement. You can apply the label directly in the table statement. Okay? In the table statement, variable name is equal to entry now? Student entry. So you no need a separate label statement. We can apply directly label. Where we can apply? In the label statement. Simply variable name is equal to the label. In the same way, I want to have a student age group. Now age group is equal to, now within the quotations, what I am doing now, I am writing student age group. Can you see this one? I am getting a student age. Now put our data is equal to class data set. In the class statement, I am writing sex, age, GRP, and by the way, there are already classes available. If you are not using the variable in the table statement, also that is fine. Okay. So class statement available in the master, you only to use the variable in the table statement. Okay. I have age variable. Did I use age variable in the table statement yet? No. Now I am writing a table statement. Now I am writing sex, comma, age. You know what is going to happen? We are going to get a two-dimensional table. Age group is going to be in the row column dimension. Sex is going to be in the row dimension. Now can you tell me 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, I want to have a 9 here. And 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, I want to have 9 and 10 here. If you want to have a 9 and 10 here, I want to have a total. So which dimension I want to have this total? Column dimension. In the column dimension of the variable name, I am writing a keyword called all. What is this all keyword we do? All keyword is going to give the total. When you see all, I am getting, 2 plus 4 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10. I am going to get the total. And in which dimension I am getting the total? You know why? Because I am using all keyword, in which dimension I am using in column. But if I want to have a total here, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 4, 7, I want to have in this dimension. With the same keyword, I am going to use it in row dimension here. Now we are going to get the total here also. So we should use all keyword to get the row totals and the column totals depends on in which dimension that we want to have. By the way, if I input the program, this is the report I'm getting, here this is a 9 plus 10, 19. What is this? This is 6 total. Instead of all, I want to have a 6 total. If you want to have in that way, now in the row dimension, so in the column dimension, where we have all is equal to, now within the quotation, I'm writing, say for example, 6 total. Now see, instead of all keyword, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a 6 total because we have 6 being 9 plus 10, we have 19. In the same way, instead of all, I want to have age group total. But if I after 6, all is equal to. Now within the quotation, so I'm writing, say for example, age group total. Now you're going to get age group total. Now this is about the class statement and table statement. In tomorrow's class, we'll see class statement and table statement, and then we'll see all the three statements together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. See you in tomorrow's class.
Yes.
If I try the